So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert Solana to USDT. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance.com and log in for your account. After that, you come to wallet and click on fiat and spot. After coming on this window, you'll search for the Solana by typing SOL, and here it is. So after choosing it, you'll click on convert option. And now after coming on this window, you will just type how much Solana you want to convert into USDT. And for converting Solana into USDT, you have to click on this and type for USDT. Now select this and you just have to type the coins you want to for USDT. Like I want to trade 7, and you will just click on preview conversion. After that, they'll show you how much 7 Solana converted into USDT, that is 94. So guys, if you have sufficient balance, then click on this button, and just like that you will be able to convert Solana into USDT. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you learned anything important, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.